guys, so we're now here in our next location. We are at Mahanakhon, and we're going to do the Skywalk right now. So we already got our tickets to Klook. So we'll just have the voucher and the QR code seen on the entrance, and then we'll go way upstairs. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. So we're just about to enter, and then we'll have our voucher checked out. I might pause this for a bit because I would need them to see my voucher as well. Okay, so just a bit of security check before we can enter. Thank you. So just checks your bags. And then let me just go ahead and do some information because since we already have our ticket, we already yes, I already have a QR code from Klook.
May I see your ticket?
Okay, give me a sec. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I did pause it a bit because I would need to give them the what do you call this? The QR code. Okay, so we need to give the bags here. Because my is it the Thai phone number? Oh, okay. So let me just enter my phone number and then I'll get back to the vlog. So guys, I'm actually wearing a body bag and it's a bit of a medium size. So what I did is I just entered my international phone number and then it gave me a QR code, which you would need to keep this for you to pick up your bag. You need to scan it way down here at the bottom. That there, so your locker would open up. Now we already have locker 32 and then my bag's already there. So you go and then just close that out, get everything that you need, and we're going. Now they would be scanning my QR code again, so let me just pause this for a bit before we go ahead. Alright, so if you buy it from Klook, of course it is single entry, but it is no time limit up until 3:30 or 4 o'clock, I believe. So yeah, I don't know what this is for. Let's go to the mouse. Sure. Okay, let's go ahead and take a photo first, and then I'll pause this again, okay? Because there's a photo op over here. So we are now in the elevator, and I'll just flip the camera. It's okay. Sorry, it's quite a fancy elevator, but I do know once you're going up, you would be able to see a comparative view already. Sorry, I'd like to have a friend. Let me just grab it. Okay, so we go to the 74th floor here. Okay, so we'll walk around here first. Okay, so it kind of beat me to the place where I would like to go. So we're technically the 74th floor. So this kind of is giving me the feels of, you know, the one that we went to in Malaysia, but the Petronas Tower. It's giving me that feel so far. So I think the Skywalk would be very, very interesting. But this is a good place for you to see the whole of Bangkok from the city point of view. I do think this would be, let's say, more spectacular if it's nighttime for this kind of thing because of the lights. But knowing that it's the afternoon, it's not as bright. It would be best if you go in the afternoon. No, it says here this is for a Akashic record in Bangkok, so please do not touch. This reminds me of a bit of a Tokidoki era when I was in a uni, so look at that. It's a cute cat. That one is black like a cat. This one is UCD Zero, but it was a Mahanakhon toy. So this reminds me of the Tokidokis. More of like pop culture. I think this is one of the spectacular views as well. The thing here is the glass is so clear, there's no glare. So when you're walking towards it, you have a bit of a feel that you can go straight. It's giving me a bit of, energy vibe since it is quite tall. Do you know? So we'll go through here. Around this museum. So, very cutie queen. So that. Okay, so we are going to upstairs, and what you have to do first is you have to wear these for your feet. Okay, so I'll just put them on and then I'll see you upstairs. Okay, so we're going to go to the glass or the rooftop, the glass check. Yes, going up. Right, so actually so let's see what we're going to see once we're upstairs. Okay, so we're just going out now. So this is what it looks like from upstairs. It is a bit sunny, but it's still quite okay. So if ever you're into, let's say, having a bit of a sun, you can order here some refreshments and some snacks, and then you just pretty much stay here. Now I believe the one over there are the glass or the skywalk already. It's a bit intended, so you have to put these on, as I mentioned earlier on, that we got from the other side before we go in to see. So if ever you would like to stay here and chill still, there are a couple of seats over there, and yeah, like that. Now, just some house rules, that's what they say. Taking a photo behind barricade, no camera, no mobile phone on the glass tray. And then of course the shoe covers, and then sitting area, well, those are the chairs over there, and then of course no bags on the glass tray. But pretty much you wouldn't be able to bring, a medium-sized bag, because you would need to put that on the lockers. Now we'll just perhaps take some photos once we are on here. So just to give you a feel on what it looks like.
What can you think of our
stand over here once you're in here. So if ever you have afraid fights or something like that, this is a good way for you to conquer it. Walk through that and then just look down while you walk. So that pretty much sums up our trip here at the Skywalk. So we'll take our photos now, and then I'll just put it in the end part of this video for you guys to see what our photos look like right here in the grass. I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Bye!